What if the engine under your hood was both your best friend and your worst enemy? The Cummins ISX CM570. It's a name whispered in diesel shops with respect, and sometimes a little fear. Today, we're diving deep into the beast behind the badge. Why did it change the diesel world? And why could it leave you on the side of I-80 with your hood popped and your wallet crying? Stick around, because at the end of this video we'll share the one overlooked trick that could save your ISX from total failure. And it's not in the manual. First, let's rewind to the early 2000s. Cummins dropped the ISX CM570 into the heavy-duty game like a sledgehammer, with up to 565 horsepower and 1,850 pound-feet of torque. This engine meant business. If torque were currency, the ISX would be a billionaire. But here's the thing. Why did this engine earn such a loyal following, despite its notorious issues? Simple. The CM570 was the last pre-emissions ISX. No EGR, no DPF, no DEF. Just raw, unfiltered diesel power. Truckers called it the last real engine before regulations complicated everything. Ask any old-school diesel tech and they'll say, it's not leaking, it's marking its territory. Classic. Now let's talk about engineering highlights that made this engine a juggernaut. Dual overhead cam design, advanced for its time. Integrated Jake brake system, reducing wear on the service brakes. HPI, high-pressure injection. System. Highly responsive though. We'll get to that in a second. This setup delivered unmatched throttle response. When tuned right, it could pull mountains like they were mild inclines. But get real. The CM570 isn't perfect. If you own one, here are the pain points that should keep you up at night. 1. Camshaft wear, known for prematurely worn lobes due to oil starvation. If you're not checking your oil pressure like a hawk, you're rolling the dice. 2-point HPI injector issues. These injectors are pricey. When they go, your wallet goes too. 3. Head gasket failures. If you smell coolant in your cab, it might not be a bad breakfast burrito. If your ISX is whistling, coughing, and smoking more than your Uncle Joe at Thanksgiving, it might be time to lift the valve cover. So how do you actually keep your CM570 on the road and not in a scrapyard? 3 words. Proactive, not reactive. Change oil every 15,000 miles religiously. Use the right oil viscosity, 15W40, or go synthetic if you love your turbo. Valve adjustments every 250,000 miles. Don't skip it. Don't cheap out on filters. Fleet Guard over no-name eBay specials. And if you're thinking, it's running fine, I don't need all this, remember, engines don't ask for permission before they explode. But here's what no one tells you. There's a tiny upgrade, dirt cheap, that can buy your ISX thousands more miles, and barely anyone's doing it. Install a bypass oil filtration system. Why? Because Cummins didn't engineer these engines for the modern hell of extended oil intervals and questionable diesel fuel. This one mod reduces soot, lowers oil temps, and protects your cam, all for under $400. It's like giving your engine a second liver, and with parts getting pricier every year, this is the upgrade that pays for itself. Fast. The Cummins ISX CM570 is a double-edged sword, built like a legend. But if you ignore the warning signs, it'll bankrupt you with legendary style. If you own one, respect it. If you're buying one, do your homework. And if you're wrenching on one right now, pause this video, check your oil, and tighten that valve cover. We'll wait. Want more faceless, no-fluff engine breakdowns like this? Hit that subscribe button and give that like button a little torque. Next up, we're digging into the EPA 04 emissions disaster. Buckle up, that one's gonna smoke.